What's going on, you guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today we're working on the Duke again, and today we're going to make it pretty again. And in order to do that, we're going to install our KTM Powerparts sticker kit. Stay tuned. Alright guys, so before you get started putting your decal kit together on your bike, you're going to want to go through your bike and either remove any decals that need to be replaced, or you're going to be replacing with the current set that you just bought. Also, you need to rub all of your fairings or any bit of kit on the bike that is going to get a decal placed on it with either a degreaser solution or something like rubbing alcohol would probably be your best bet. I use a general degreaser and it seemed to do the job very well. After that, just kind of open up your sticker kit and go through the stickers. Make sure you have pairs where you really need them. So say both fairings, make sure you have matching sides. Just kind of go through and figure out where each sticker goes. So like here is our rear fairing stickers. This is where each one of these is going to go. Just kind of go through the bike and look for the shapes and figure out where everything goes. It'll make things a little easier in the long run. So I already went through and I did that, and I've actually found a couple of stickers in the kit that I'm not quite sure where they go. So like this one right here, and this pair right here. I'm not sure if they might have something to do if you have the rear seat cowl. They could have something to do with that. I'm not quite sure. Everything else seems to be here. So both main fairing kits, the rear fairing kits, the upper portion of the main fairings, they're all here. The front headlight, also the shrouds for the radiator are here, and also the lower brush guard stickers are here too. So, but I'm just going to give you guys a quick little pointer about when you're placing these on your bike. I mean, I can't really teach you how to do this, perfectly, and I probably won't get it perfect myself. But the key really is here to just take your time. So the best thing you can really do with these decals is kind of figure out where they go, right? And then you can place it up here, kind of figure out what your spacing is going to look like. Then after you've figured that out, you're good to go, you're clean, you're ready. Peel just one little corner of your sticker right here and use that one adhesive edge to kind of fix it in place. Then place the decal on your bike. So that one little corner that we peeled back, you're just going to kind of, figure out where the decal needs to go and press that corner in. Then you're just going to come behind the decal and continue to peel back this edge and just slowly work this decal into place. And then that way you didn't just you have all this adhesive showing and you're trying to put it in place and this is sticking and this is sticking and this is sticking. Just do one little edge and slowly peel it into place. So that's just my tip for you guys. I'm going to go ahead and do the install, and then I'm going to try to put together a kind of little cinematic. I'm not really good at it, but I'm going to put a little before and after cinematic into the video, and then you guys will see what it looks like at the end. Alright guys, you saw it. The Duke's all finished up. It looks pretty good. Like I said, I wasn't going to get it perfect. I am pretty happy with it, but there's a few little things that I didn't quite get right that aren't so bothersome, but this is basically the grunt of it. So right here, if you pay attention to the orange gap in this area, and then take a look at the other side over here, you can see that the gap on this side is a little bit smaller as it gets towards here. I really wanted this gap on this side to match the other one. I think this side came out just about perfect of where I wanted it. But like I said, it's super small, not really noticeable. It's not like you can really see both sides at the same time that you're really going to notice it. But otherwise, I'm super happy with the kit. Came out really nice, really clean. Only took me about maybe 30 total minutes to install it. It was super hot in the garage today, so I was trying to get through it as fast as I possibly could. Figured out where these went. So you can see those were for the front fender there. The other ones over here actually turned out to be for the smaller Dukes, like the 125, 200, 250. They have a slightly different brush guard down there. So the design on them is a little bit different. So I guess KTM was just trying to cover the differences, and you know, they send out the stickers in both kits. That way the entire bikes are covered no matter which one you actually have. Awesome kit, highly recommend it. If you guys want to pick this up, I bought it from aomc.com. I'll put a link in the description. As always, guys, hit the subscribe button, leave me a comment, leave me a like on the video. I'd really appreciate it. It really helps me out. Thank you for tuning in, and I'll see you in the next one.